Hello and welcome to the video. Happy New Year. Heartfelt wishes to you and your loved ones for the coming year of 2025. 2024 had some highs and lows for us here at Castle Painless. Hopefully yours was better. Hopefully 2025 will be a nice clean bit of sailing. But there were a couple of things that we did over the Christmas period. 3 giveaways particularly, all sponsored by 3DXR and Drone Authority. So again, a massive thank you to Ben and the team up there for getting involved and supporting this. You guys are stars. And I thought it was about time that we pulled the names from the hat. I did say in those videos that I was going to do it on New Year's Day, and that's today. So let's pull the names. So these are the 3 giveaways that we had. One on Christmas Day, Boxing Day, and the day after as well. One was a he-wing, I think, and then a couple of boats. So we're going to use a random comment picker. So this is the one from Christmas Day. And if I zoom across, this one was for the he-wing. This is the T1 Ranger Pro upgraded kit. This is the one that comes with the VTOL stuff. So if you want to build it as a plane, that's great. If you want to add all the VTOL stuff, then you absolutely can. The T1 is actually a great plane with or without the VTOL stuff. So random comment picker, get rid of that. Load all of the comments. The winner of the He-Wing T1 is Joey's Custom RC. Joey, just looking at this, I love you too. Thank you for the comment. That's really kind of you. It's talking here about Patreon stuff. If you're a Patreon, this makes it really easy. Pop me your address details on the Patreon system, or if you're not a Patreon, pop me your address details to lee@painless360.com. We'll get all this sorted out, and then when I've got all the addresses, I'll get them across to Ben and he can ship all this stuff out. But Joey, congratulations. Not only are you going to be a quad pilot, potentially now you're going to be a plane or wing pilot too. So hopefully that's going to be a fantastic start to 2025 for you. Let's go back to where we were. Next one then is this one here. This was the Boxing Day giveaway. I think, glad I had the sound turned off for this. See, even I have to sit through this sometimes. There we go. Happy Boxing Day. It was for the Volantex SR80 speedboat. This auto writes, this will be a lot of fun for zooming around on a lake or a river or even your local canal. So let's do the standard stuff. Let's get this into the random comment picker. Cut and paste. Yep, same settings. And the winner of the Volantex SR80 speedboat is RT Rider 48. RT Rider, congratulations. You're saying Patreon again at the bottom. So I don't know if you are a Patreon. It's not a name I recognise. But if you're a Patreon, send me your address details on there. If you're not, don't worry. Send me an email to lee@painless360.com and I'll again pass those details on to Ben up at 3DXR and he can ship you your Volantex SR80 speedboat. Hopefully that has again for you put a big smile on your face this morning. So there's only one more to do. So let's do that one. So this one was the day after Boxing Day and it was for, zoom through. Okay. This is the Volantex sailboat. So if you fancy doing some sailing, this is going to be right up your street. Again, huge thank you to 3DXR for providing these presents. So again, random comment picker, same settings. Fabulous. And the winner of the Volantex sailboat is Boghopper FPV. Is that right? Looks Ken, your name rings a bell. I think you're a Patreon, so that does make it easy. Pop me your address details on the Patreon system and I'll get this to you. If you're not, don't worry about it. Pop me an email to lee@painless360.com and I'll get these out to you. So congratulations to Joey, RT Rider 48 and Ken Leaper for winning the prizes this time. And again, one last massive shout out to Ben and the team up there for 3DXR and Drone Authority. Do go and check out their stuff. I'll put links down below. Really nice of them to provide the prizes this time, and something a little bit unusual for us to play with in the radio control hobby. Sometimes watching things like YouTube, you think that 5-inch quads were all that the hobby did these days. So stay tuned, there will be a video at the weekend, the next one in the 7-inch quad build series. That continues a plumb here. Everything so far so good. So there'll be that one. The one after will be a video on doing the walk snail stuff, compass calibration, all that jazz. And then finally, we'll take it to the field and fly it. But thank you for watching the videos in 2024. Thank you for continuing to watch my videos in 2025. Stay tuned. There's lots of cool stuff to come in January and February. Thank you for watching my video. Check out the playlist, and adding Painless 360 to your search terms will help you find my content. If you haven't done so already, please hit the like and subscribe button. It helps a lot. You can support the time I spend here answering questions and helping others by using the links in the video description.